A short story. The School Sweeper. Once upon a time, there was an old sweeper in a school. He did his job very well. The school was always neat and clean before the children arrived. But sadly, no one bothered to talk to the sweeper or thank him for his hard work. One day, the sweeper fell ill and could not clean the school. That day, the school remained dirty all day long. The children then realized the importance of the sweeper's job. So, when the sweeper arrived the next day, everybody applauded him for his good work. Moral: always appreciate people's hard work. Thanks for watching.